these are sick. Fujitec. Yo, these are so freaking cool. These are old 80s Fujitecs. Hell yeah, this is sick. Wow. I can't spend too much time in here, but basically, all right, let's take a look. Here's what the, look at that, beautiful. Look at that, the numbers are, oh, sorry. The numbers are engraved, that's awesome. Beautiful. Old original bell too. Look at these freaking beautiful cabs. This is amazing. Wow. All right, let's go down to 2. This is beautiful. Wow. These are amazing. What a freaking, this is cool. I don't know if these have been filmed before either. I don't think I've seen a video of these. Back down to 1. These are amazing. Look at that. The number is engraved into the stone. These are incredible. Like, what the heck? All right, we're gonna stop on 2 because I don't want to get out in the lobby yet because I want to get some still pictures of these elevators. These are actually amazing. Oh my gosh.